thermocol balls. So the procedure remains same for the borax, and just that instead of glitter and the stars, we are going to add the thermocol balls. So here's our ball. We are going to again empty the glue. So this is again 25 ml of glue. To this we are adding 25 ml of warm water. Give it a nice stir. At this point you can add your thermocol balls. Give it a nice mix. Guys, I'm going to show you an alternate solution. If you don't have a borax powder, we have another slime coming up with baking soda and contact lens solution. So stay tuned for that also. You can add as many thermocol balls you like. To this we are going to again add 25 ml of our slime solution that we made using borax and water. There are tiny thermocol balls also available in the market, but I'm just using whatever I had in the house. Even this makes a very crunchy slime. And we're going to put our hands in the slime and knead it nicely. Making a nice crackling sound. I hope you guys can hear it. Again we'll empty the slime in the jar.